Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Morales here, and we're going to talk again today about conversions, just like last week. But this week we're talking about mass, and I wanted to talk to you about pounds or mass. And so if we're talking about pounds, we're talking about weight, and about 1 pound of sugar So think about a bag of sugar. 1 pound of sugar equals 16 ounces. So when we're converting that, and I also wanted to tell you that pounds is also, the abbreviation is LB period. Ounces is OZ. So those are the abbreviations. So if we have an in and out box, just like we did last week, okay? If we have pounds as our in, or LB, pounds, and then we have ounces as our out, or OZ. So if I have 1, 2, 3 pounds, 5 pounds, 7 pounds, and it can go on and on, we're going to see how many ounces are in 1 pound of sugar, how many ounces would be in 2 pounds, how many would be in 3 pounds. And so we have to kind of think about our rule like we did last week. So if 1 pound of sugar, or 1 pound of anything, is 16 ounces, then what are we counting by? Well, 1 goes in, 2 comes out, so it's going up. Our in and out box is going up. 1 group of sugar, or 1 pound, 1 group, is times 16. So our rule is every time that another pound goes in, we multiply by 16. So 2 times 16, and we would just do that over here, traditional method. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, so that would be 32 ounces. Okay, 16 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18, 3, 4, 48 ounces. Okay, 5 pounds of sugar. Again, this is just where I'm doing my work. 16, 5 groups of 16 would be, that's 30. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80 ounces. And then again, we're going to say, okay, so this was 3 pounds, 3 groups of 16, 5 groups of 16 ounces, 7 groups of 16. Remember, whatever the rule is on an in and out box, we're going to make sure that that is the same throughout. So we would have 16 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That would be 112 ounces. So that would be our in and out box if we were going from pounds to ounces. And then if we had an in and out box that was going from ounces to pounds, we would need to make sure that we were dividing by 16. But so main thing that you need to know, that if somebody says, I have 6 pounds equals blank ounces. Well, every time you have a pound, if you looked at it as a strip diagram, this would need to be, each of these pounds is going to be 16 ounces. So we would have 16 ounces, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16. So 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 16 times 6, because these are, each pound is 16 ounces. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be 96 ounces. So we can look at it as an in and out box, or we can also look at it as a strip diagram. So either way, you need to make sure that you have your rule, and that is never going to change. Each time you have a pound, you're going to see 16 ounces.